Okay guys, here's the startup of the 1970 Suburban. Car does move forwards and backwards. I haven't got the brakes to work in a while. Went ahead and started it up, running it off a gas bottle. As you can see, all the brackets are here. Engine oil cooler, radiator, power brakes, automatic. Well, I don't know about the antenna because I don't see it. I don't know if you can hear that, but the AC in fact does blow as far as the fan for this air conditioner. It looks like it's going to go ahead and idle down and be okay. So anyways, 1970 Chevrolet Suburban, Phoenix, Arizona. I've had this truck for quite some time, well over 10 years. Was gonna get to it one day, but it appears that that day is likely not going to happen, as I have been involved with many other things. Of course, I don't know how many Suburbans that you've seen, but I've never seen one of these with factory bucket seats. At least in person. Now I know it's on the build sheet. I know this truck came with those seats. And pretty cool. It's gonna need some patch panels, as you can tell. Here's our air cleaner. And there's the wheel well, third seat. And I will be cleaning this up inside a little bit better, obviously. The seats are in, quite frankly, wonderful condition for their age. They are not perfect, but the seats and interior is quite amazing for being 50 years old, as is the rest of the truck. And it is again, we're gonna need some patch panel repair. It's a coil spring truck. Not really too bad underneath here, which is of course right in the areas where they rust. The rear AC hoses are right here where we go. And I'm bringing it over the right rear well, so you can see what we're dealing with as we're dealing with it. It has a trailer hitch, A 40-gallon tank. Maybe it's 30. I don't know. I haven't filled it up in so long. I can't recall. And I'll take you with me through the inside here. Again, my apologies for the dust all over the basic, close to a barn find. I mean, it's just been sitting around here. All the seat belts are here, as we can see. And again, the bucket seats, pretty cool. A few more other little things as we walk around here. Check it out. And we'll come into some additional information, which I'll hold the camera here for you guys. I'm going to bring it up a little closer. Factory tachometer, bucket seats. First thing on the left, shorter belts, almost like a 3-point system. And there we go. And as you can see, that's the original. Sticker. It's got a couple cracks in the dash, but all the other areas, a lot of the stuff is right here. Deluxe interior, obviously, as you can tell by the scrolled seats. And again, it'll clean it up pretty nice, guys. Just gonna need a little bit of hand time. It's not rusty or anything in these areas, which I think is cool. Over the firewall, appears all the bracketry is correct. Again, I just ran it off a gas bottle after doing a rebuild on the carburetor. The AC, in fact, was working when I parked this many years ago. The brakes probably going to need a master cylinder. I don't seem to have any brakes right now, or we got a leaking wheel cylinder of some kind. But, you know. I'll deal with that a little bit later. And the roof, as you can see, got a few other little projects to deal with back there in the corner that you know, and just haven't quite had the time. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one for sale, get it marketed, and let someone give it the love it deserves.